Super simple topic that took me a long time to understand is which nerve root exists at which vertebral level and which nerve root is affected in IVDP. So let's learn that with a model, of course. So let's say this is my C1 vertebra. The first nerve root, that is C1, will exit from above the C1 vertebra. And it continues in a similar way up until C7. Now similarly, if this is C7, this nerve root on the top is also C7. But what is this nerve in between C7 and T1 vertebra? It is the C8 nerve. Of course, there's not a C8 vertebra, so the C8 nerve exits between C7 and T1. Naturally, T1 nerve will have to exit below the T1 vertebra. So the order starts changing from here, wherein the said nerve root will exit from below the vertebra from T1 onwards. So you know that disc prolapse usually happens in the lumbosacral area. Let's take an example of L4, L5. Your spinal cord essentially ends at the level of L1, L2, but your vertebral column keeps growing. So what happens is, after a certain point, all these nerves have to travel downwards in order to exit from their respective vertebral foramen. You have two kinds of nerves. You have a traversing nerve and an exiting nerve. Now, due to laxity of the posterior ligaments, the disc prolapse between L4 and L5 usually happens in the posterolateral region. The concept is pretty simple. You know that below T1, all the nerve roots exit below the vertebrae. So if this is L4 vertebrae, your L4 nerve root is exiting through the foramina right below the vertebra. But it's exiting. But I also told you that the other nerve roots travel downwards in order to exit from their respective foramina. So L5 nerve root travels this way in order to exit below L5. Now when there is a disc prolapse and it happens posterolaterally, you tell me which nerve is going to be affected. Is it going to be the exiting L4 or the traversing L5 that gets directly affected by the prolapse? It's going to be L5, which is why in IVDP they always say lower vertebral nerve root is the one that is going to be affected. I hope this concept is clear to you. I had fun making this. Bye.